Catch up with markets now and the action there. Yoon is up in Seoul. Emily Tan is standing by in Hong Kong. Start with June up in South Korea. First, though, the duty-free unit, June, of Lotte, the big conglomerate, filing for what could be the biggest IPO we've seen in years, your side.
Exactly, Martin. This could be the biggest IPO in Korean history. We are talking about Hotel Lotte's IPO, and Lotte Group has filed its preliminary application for this IPO at the Korea Exchange. And Hotel Lotte is, in addition to being their duty-free unit, it is pretty much the holdings company of Lotte Group, and this IPO is expected for the first half of next year. The Korea Exchange is said to be considering a fast-track review system, and this could mean cutting down the review period of this IPO down to a month to facilitate this IPO. This means that Hotel Lotte could actually be on the Korea Exchange on the Kospi as early as March of next year. We'll be getting the approval, the confirmation as early as January of next year, so I'll be watching out for this. And Hotel Lotte's IPO is progressing right now, despite the fact that Lotte has lost one of its two duty-free stores in Seoul last month, and this has been a concern given that this could mean a lower valuation for Hotel Lotte's IPO. But again, even despite this, it is expected to be one of the biggest IPOs ever to hit the Korean markets. An IPO would improve transparency and help separate ownership from management. This is a major issue given that there is a prolonged power struggle at Lotte Group between the two brothers. So after this IPO does happen, this is expected to be a positive for Lotte Group's affiliates as well, given that ownership and management risk continue to be a concern at the affiliate companies. Management conflicts, again, they have been worked through to a certain extent. So right now the application has been put in, taking this into consideration. Also, a new regulation change that the Korea Exchange has made will mean that this IPO will no longer require the approval of the shareholder that has more than 5% stake. This had been a concern given that Shin Dong-ju owns a 50% plus one share of Kwang Yun-sa, and through this holds a 5.45% stake in Hotel Lotte. Marty, back to you.
Okay. Wow. Lotte's duty-free unit could be the biggest IPO there. Something to watch. Thanks a lot. Yoon live up in Seoul there.